Hello guys, welcome to MDCZ. Recently, I have got some details about the recent interviews of WandaVision stars and I'll explain those details in this video. What Monica Rambeau star Teyonah Parris and Wanda star Elizabeth Olsen says about the next episodes and also what might happen in episode 4. All the questions have been answered in this video, so watch it carefully. If you didn't subscribe to MDCZ, then hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon as soon as possible to get instant notifications of our new videos. Now, without wasting your time, let's start this video. WandaVision has a very mysterious and exciting storyline, but even after third episode, most of the fans have lots of questions. Actually, after every episode, things have started getting cleared. Everybody can guess a basic theory about what's happening, but it's not sure yet. Some people didn't understand what's happening in the series, so some started finding it boring. But episode 3 definitely created an excitement within all the fans. In the recent interview with Digital Spy, Wanda star Elizabeth Olsen has given some statements on the show. She said that they got all 9 episode script at once, so they knew what's gonna happen in the series from the beginning. When she was asked why they only gave the first 3 episodes to the screeners, she said that she thinks that the reason behind giving only the first 3 episodes is that episode 4 really started giving you some sort of clarity on what's happening. People will be getting their answers from episode 4. In another interview with TV Line, WandaVision star Teyonah Parris, whom we know as Monica Rambeau, has shed some light on what actually happened and what will happen next. She said that the first couple of episodes of WandaVision are particularly to the time period and the sitcoms. And what's interesting in this first couple of episodes is that you do feel something is missing, something is not quite right. Many characters have chunks of realization on that. Characters aren't able to remember things, they can't quite put their finger on a thing. Still, people have lots of questions, but those questions will start getting answered from episode 4. We don't have any specific information about episode 4 of WandaVision. Each episode has started moving decades to decades, so the 4th episode is most likely to be a 1980s style American sitcom. They are most likely going to show us how Wanda and Vision are going from the early stages of parenting after their birth of their twins, Billy and Tommy. I'm not quite sure that they are gonna show both of their superpowers from the comics or not. We can say after the ending of episode 3, things have started getting insane. In the end, they might show us what is happening on the other side, like what Monica gonna do after Wanda threw her out of her reality. Whatever it is, it's definitely gonna be another insane ride for all Marvel fans. I have some details about Mephisto which I'm gonna share with you in the next couple of videos. If you love this video, please hit the like and share this video with all other Marvel fans. Comment down your theories below. If you don't want to miss the Mephisto rated video and more such excellent content, don't worry. You just have to do one thing, hit the subscribe button right now and press the bell icon. That's it. You will soon be started getting instant notifications of our new videos. Just stay connected with us. Now, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, do whatever you want to do guys. Just be safe and be happy.